Okay guys, so we're gonna start now. We can use this to fix this is styrofoam here, but before we do that, we need to put this paper. You can use different kind or different color of paper, same height as this one, and then we're just gonna roll it and just put it there, so you will have a different color of the vase. Any color you can use, or you can use the glue gun to just glue this area and put it here before start working, so you will have easier way of doing the stuff. Okay, to start I'm gonna put the red or this white flower. You can actually start of any flowers or any choice you want to start with, but you want to put here in the middle the one that you want to stick out. So put the prettiest flower there if you want to. I will just put this one here like that. I'm gonna using the red flowers. We can use glue if it's like not sticking in there. Use glue so it will be permanently in there. And if you are planning to have an outside wedding, outside event, you need to make sure that the flower will not gonna fall off during the ceremony. So you can use glue gun here, and then you can stick it in there so it will be permanent. So I'm just gonna be adding the flowers. So I started filling in the white flowers, and I'll continue to do it. We can adjust the length of each flower. That's why we have this styrofoam ball. You can adjust, like for this one, if it's really sticking out, you can adjust that one, and then just continue putting the flowers until everything is put on. found the missing stem. I'll just put this back on here. And then we're just gonna continue putting in flowers on the gaps. Just kind of arrange the petals if they're not in place, kind of like that. Next is this flowers. I wanted to put it underneath. To kind of drape. Just want to even it out. Sometimes the stem is being left in the, so you're just gonna put it back and just rearrange it so it will look fuller. Like that. Okay. We're gonna add this tiny little flowers somewhere on the gaps. Here. Just kind of There we go. And oops. One over here. So, of course, we're not gonna forget the pearls to put it as a final touch. These hooks, it's just this one, and I just fold it. This is actually came from the stems that I cut from these flowers. So I'm just gonna put it like this and put it underneath this topiary. So you can just follow this line here so you'll have a guide on where to put it. Okay. So guys, that is our finished product. That's our elegant wedding centerpieces. Okay guys, these are the materials that we need for this tutorial. We have the glue gun. Of course, we need the glue sticks, E600 hooks for the pearls. This pearl are about 12 inches long or 1 feet long. The paper, it's about same height of our vase. Scissors, the styrofoam ball, and lots of flowers. For this tutorial, I used 52 pieces of different colored flowers. Now, the flowers will depend on the theme that you're gonna be using. Here in my theme, I will be using white, red, pink, yellowish color, not so yellow, light yellow color. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the numbers of flowers that I use. For these little ones, I use 3 pieces of them. For the long ones, for the light yellow and light pink flowers, 5 pieces of this one and 5 pieces of that one. 5 pieces red roses. 16 pieces of this white flowers. 12 pieces of those one. It has a little lace, just a design. And 5 pieces of the pink flowers. For the length, from the base to here, is around 3 inches to 4 inches. Now you can vary on your length. If you want a bigger topiary, you can go like 5 inches. But the one that we're gonna be doing right now will be 3 inches long. For these long flowers, the length of this one is about 10 inches long. So okay, I hope you guys like our video tutorial for today. If you have any comment or questions regarding our project for today, you can just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. It's Joyful Creations. And I will appreciate any suggestions on how we can make this video tutorial easier and faster. So thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video. Thank you.